Hi and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you the easy way to create a simple seafood restaurant website. So all you need to do, go here to Mighty Sites. They have all types of different themes and templates for small businesses, and just search for the one we're doing today, which is seafood restaurant. Select the seafood restaurant theme, and then next thing that you do, just enter the name of your restaurant. So I'm going to put in here Keegan's Seafood. Next thing I'm going to do, enter my location, so Denver, Colorado, and then type of business, restaurant. And it's going to ask me a few things about my business. So the first one here, contact information. So I'm going to put in my phone number. Next thing I'm going to do is enter my email address. And then click continue. And now I'm going to put the location of my seafood restaurant. So here's where my seafood restaurant is located. And then click continue. And then what time do you open on Monday? So I'm just going to say, let's say we're open from 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then continue. And then let's just say that on Friday and Saturday, we're open a little later, 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Friday, Saturday, continue. And then for Sunday, I'm just going to click on this. We're closed Sundays. So if all that information looks good, I can just review it one last time, then click looks good next. And the beauty of this product is that Mighty Sites is going to automatically generate a simple professional website for my seafood restaurant, just like that. So you can see, without me having to do anything else, I now have a simple website for my seafood restaurant. Really, really easy. Now, all of these pictures, all of this text is all pre-licensed for you to use, so you can feel free to use any of this to get started. Again, this is only $9 a month, so it's a really cheap, inexpensive way to host and build a professional website for your business. First thing I might want to do is click on this color palette here, and I can change the color theme. So if I find that there's a different color palette that I like, I can switch it around until I find one that I prefer, one that matches my logo and my branding for my restaurant. And there are all types of different themes in here. So you can just go ahead and pick through all of these and select one that you feel like looks best and is the best representation of how you want your restaurant to look online. And once you find the one that you like, you can just simply save that and close it out, and now you can begin building the rest of your site. So the first thing I'm going to do is just click on this update section, and I can update anything really easily by just clicking on the update section button for any parts of this. So let's just say I want my email address to show on the site. There we go. Now my email's there. If I want to link to my social media, let's just say I have a Facebook page for my seafood restaurant, I would just type that in here, and then Facebook will populate there, just like you can see. So then I can close this, and if someone clicks on this, then it'll automatically go to my page. The other thing I can do, update section, I can go in here and I can update my menu. So if I want to add more menu items here, I can do that. And then I can choose where I want those to link to another website, to a different section of my website, to an action item, or if I'm uploading a PDF, I can do that too. I can also upload my logo here. So if you have a logo, upload that right there. If you don't, I'd recommend that you check out canva.com. It's a really easy place to make a logo. Right now, I'll just browse my computer and I'll just upload a logo, like a Mighty Sites logo, so I can show you how this uploader and editor works, because there are some really great editing tools built in here to the system. So I'll just upload this logo right now. And as soon as it uploads, I'll click save. And now I have the choice. There's going to be two buttons here for me to use that I can just click on this to make it bigger, or click on this to make it smaller. So again, Mighty Sites is the easiest way to build a simple website for your seafood restaurant. So again, just a couple buttons there where I can edit my logo. Now I can also click on this pencil, and when I click on this, I get all these cropping tools too. So I get cropping tools, filters, fine-tuning tools. So for any image or logo that you load to the site, you also have all these really great editing tools that you can use to make your pictures look the way that you want. But I think this logo is already cropped to the way I like it, so I'm just going to save it again. I think that looks good. And now close. Now I've got some of my contact information, my logo, my social media pages. Now these images I can use too, but if they don't work for you, you just click on update section and drag and upload a new image for that section. You can also edit any of the hero text call to action. So it says specializing in the finest seafood. That may be your type of business, or maybe maybe you're more of like a fast casual restaurant. So you can put fast casual seafood restaurant. So you can easily edit any of this text so that it really works exactly for what your business is. And then if you offer online ordering for something like Toast, or if you use a different platform for online ordering, you can just simply link to that here. You can go to another website and paste your link for online ordering. But maybe you don't offer online ordering and you just like people to call to place a pickup order. You can just make that click to call. And then let's just say call to order. And then you can change the button text too. So now you can see my website's really coming together. I can click on this if I'm on mobile and it'll automatically call my seafood restaurant. So that's really great. Here's our address. Here's our hours. If somebody clicks on this on mobile, it opens up Google Maps so they can drive right to my restaurant. And then if I scroll here again, you can upload an image of your actual restaurant or of your food, or you can feel free to use any of these images as well if you feel like they really suit you. Editing the text is really easy too. So if I go in here, I can just say, this is the seafood restaurant website template. So I can type in exactly what I want. I could even make this bold or italicized, just depending on how I want it to look. I could even add links here too. And then of course, you're probably going to want to upload your menu. So I've got just this by default says view our menu. And then you can go in here and if you want, you can choose a link. And then what I usually suggest is upload a PDF of your menu. That makes it really easy. So I've got just a kind of example menu here on my computer. Let me just find it. So let's go menu. And so here's just a PDF of a menu, just a pretend menu, but you would obviously upload the PDF of your menu. I'll confirm it, click save. Now, if I close this, if I click on it, it'll open up my restaurant's menu too, right? So it's very easy to get to. So if you're a customer, you can call the order, you can get directions easily, and then you can click on to view the restaurant's menu too. And then if I click menu here, it'll bring me right here too to open the menu. So again, telling people a little bit about your business and some images is really nice, but just like that, you can pretty much create a simple seafood restaurant website and you're pretty much done. And so now if you want, you can click on stop editing and see what this website will look like without those update section buttons. Again, it looks really simple and professional. Great way to represent your seafood restaurant online. It's going to act as your online business card to help get new patrons and customers to your restaurant. And if I go here to site dashboard, you've got this nice little dashboard where you can easily go in and update your hours if they change, update your social links, and you can even connect a custom domain. So if you have a Google domains domain, or you have a GoDaddy domain or domain.com, any of the major domains, you can just simply paste those in and you'll get a set of instructions that you can share with your registrar to connect your domain to Mighty Sites, and then you'll have a secure website. So a secure certificate will be issued. You'll have a connected custom domain, and you can go back here to update your site anytime and make any edits. But that's how simple and easy it is to use Mighty Sites to create a nice, simple seafood restaurant website. There's a 7-day free trial and it's only $9 a month. So click on the link below to give it a try and get started.